Welcome back to the Walnut.
Question number 10. 8 and 3 is 33. 5 and 6 is 66. And 7 and 4, 44. Then what is 1 and 10? Any idea? Here is a peculiarity. 8 and 3. 5 and 6. 7 and 4. 1 and 10. If you add all these numbers, what do you get? A constant, 11. So 8 plus 3 is 11, 5 plus 6 is 11, etc. So 8 plus 3, 11, and this is 33. So 11 into 3 is 33. And here 5 plus 6 is 11. That 11 into 6 is 66. Here we have 7 and 4. 7 plus 4 is 11. 11 into 4 is 44. Why this 11 is multiplied by 3? 6 and 4. Any particular reason? So here we have the second number is 3. Here we have the second number is 6. Here we have the second number is 4. So that means 1 plus 10 is 11. 11 must be multiplied by 10. So 11 into 10, that must be 110. Answer choice right here. Perfectly all right. Now next one. If minus means multiplication, plus means a minus, then what is the numeric value of the expression? Change the symbols. That 32 into 4 plus 3 minus 5 divided by 12 into 6. When you change the symbols, that become 32 divided by 4 minus 3 into 5 plus 12 divided by 6. That's what it is. And now we have to apply the BODMAS. How do you apply the BODMAS rule? Pretty simple. 32 by 4, 8. And here 3 into 5. So 3 into 5 is 15. So here 12 divided by 6. That is 2. So here we have 8 plus 2 is 10. 10 minus 15. 10 minus 15 is what? Minus 5. So the answer is right here, minus 5. Alright, next one. P means plus, R means divided by, T means multiplication, V means minus. 7 into 15, that divided by 3 minus 4, and we have, after that we have again T, so it is multiplication 4 into 6, and then it's P is what? Plus 2. So this is what we have. So 15 divided by 3, what do you get? 5. So here we have 7 into 5. 4 into 6 is 24, 24 plus 2. So here we have 35, and here it is 22. 35 minus 22, how much is that? 13, correct? So this is the answer. How about the next one? Question number 30. Which of the following answer make the given equation 30 something 6 something 4 etc. So let's do the trial and error method. Nothing else, trial and error. 30 here plus 30 plus, we have 6, then divided by 4, then we have minus 7, and multiplication with the 9. Okay, so that's what it is. So are we getting the answer 18 from this? It is perfectly all right, otherwise that may not be the answer choice. Let's check it out. 6 by 4. 6 by 4 is what? 3 by 2. 3 by 2. And 30 plus 3 by 2 minus what is 7 into 9. So actually here the answer what we are going to get is going to be what kind of an answer? Is it negative or positive? Think about it. See that if you take LCM over here, what do you get? 60 plus 3 by 2 minus 63. Again we take the LCM, what happens here? It is going to be, the answer is going to be a negative answer. So what we have there, it's plus 18. So that cannot be the case. So let's go for another one. Second answer choice. Let's try that. So 30 divided by 6, and 6 into 4 plus 7 minus 9. So here we have 30 divided by 6, that is 5. That 5 into 4 is 20. 20 plus 7 minus 9. So what you get is, it is minus 2 here. 5 plus 4 is 20, 20 minus 2 is 18. Perfectly all right. So this is the answer. We don't need to go further. And now next one. Question number 14. Division means addition. Subtraction means multiplication. So what kind of answer you get it from here? Here what we have is 6 into 4. When we change the symbols, what we get 6 divided by 24. So minus means it is multiplication. So into 7. Plus 3 divided by 20, and multiplication means division 5. So 20 by 5. First bracket. Inside the bracket you have to apply the BODMAS. So what is division first? 6 by 24. 6 by 24 is what? 1 by 4. So 1 by 4 into 7. So what you get is 7 by 4. 7 by 4 plus 3 and 12. 3 divided by 20 by 5. It's 4. So 3 by 4. So 7 by 4 plus 3 by 4. Pretty simple that way. LCM is same, right? Okay, fine. So we'll take 4 as the LCM. 4. No, actually we don't need to take the LCM here. It's already there, 4. So 7 plus 3 is 10. 10 by 4. So the answer is 10 by 4. Look at the answer choice. Yes, we have 10 by 4 is here. Now 15. Which of the sign interchanges make the equation 4 plus 16 divided by 3 into 10 minus 5 plus 13 equal to 27 correct? So sign interchanges, we have minus and into, so it is subtraction and multiplication, addition and division, division and subtraction, and this is multiplication and addition. So that is what it is. Try the answer choices. First one, do this interchange. It's going to be subtraction and multiplication. You have to interchange. In place of subtraction you have multiplication, in the place of multiplication you have subtraction. So what do you get the answer? Let's do it one by one. 4 plus 16 divided by 3 and it's multiplied by 10. So that multiplication means we'll interchange it. Instead of multiplication we have subtraction. So minus 10. After 10 it is subtraction, right? Subtraction means it must be replaced by multiplication. Okay, that's fine. So that's 5 plus 30. So that's what it is. Let's check it out whether it is 27 or not. Here what we have is 16 by 3 and 10 into 5 is 50. So that's minus 50 and plus 13. So when we solve it, are we really getting an answer 27? Naturally not. At a glance you can see that. So second one, what we have here, 4, this is plus and addition and division. So 4 and it's plus, so that means it must be subtraction. 4 plus 6, 4 divided by 16 and divide by means what? It's plus. Plus 3 into 10 minus 5 plus 13. Are we going to get 27 from here? 4 by 16, we know that it's 1 by 4. 1 by 4, 3 into 10, 30. 30 minus 5 plus 13. Is it the answer going to be 27? Check it out. Is there any way? So if you take the LCM here, what we are going to get an answer which is not equal to 27. Next one, it is, we have third answer choice. Divided by and subtraction. So let's try that. These questions bit time consuming. We always prepared when you deal with this kind of questions. Well, other questions we have done like number series, letter series, all those kind of coding, decoding type of questions, you need only a few seconds to solve that questions. The time you save on that questions, we need those for puzzles type of questions, symbols and notation type of questions, all those type of questions. Okay, now see, if we have 4 and plus 16 and that divided by means minus. 3 into 10 minus means divided by 5 plus 13, that's equal to 27. Check it out. Here we have is 3 into 10 and here we have division as well. So division first, 10 divided by 5. So here we have 4 and 16, that is 20. 20 minus 3 divided by 10 divided by 5 is 2. 3 into 2, that is 6 plus 13. So 20 plus 13, that is 33. 33 minus 3 into 2 is 6. 33 minus 6, 27. Perfectly all right. Next word. Which of the conclusion follows the statement K greater than or equal to Q, that is equal to L, and L less than N, N greater than P, and P is equal to R? We have three conclusions, four conclusions here. Which one is correct? Which of the conclusion follows the statement? Follow the statement means always correct, 100% correct. So let's check it out. L less than or equal to P. Well, L is always less than P. No, actually between L and P we have contradictory symbols, less than and greater than. So L always less than P, we cannot really verify it because L could be less than P, it could be equal to P, L could be more than P. So first one doesn't follow. The reason for that, contradictory symbols between L and P. Now K is greater than Q. K is greater than Q. Well, it is given as K is greater than or equal to Q. That means K is greater than Q always is not correct. Sometimes K could be equal to Q as well. R is less than N. So look at R, N. So N, between N and R, these are the symbols we have, greater than and equal to. So N is greater than R always. That means R is always less than N. Perfectly all right. Now last one, Q is equal to P. Look at Q, look at P. Between Q and P we have contradictory symbols. We cannot say that Q is always equal to P. It could be equal, it could be less than, it could be greater than. So only answer choice what we have is C.
We have done a number of challenging questions. If you need to have additional questions for practice, take a look at our website walnuttraining.org.